Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can automate your resume scanning process using AI and automation. Alright, so I built this automation to scan resume automatically. So before I show you the demo, let me explain how it's works. So first of all, candidates going to submit their resume and name and email. Then a spreadsheet automatic get updated. Alright. After that, AI extract all the data and text and it's analyze and give it a score. So let me show you the prompt. All right, so I give all the requirements, goal, job positions, and all the requirement. All right, and I also give a score system so we can find out who is best fit for this position. So let me show you a demo. As you can see, the automation is initiated. Okay, it's executed perfectly. Let me show you the result. So here it is the name and all the information. And as you can see the score here, so you can judge every candidate based on their score. And here is the summary. And you can see the overall information about the candidates. So in this way, you can automate the resume scanning process. Thank you.